Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're downtown Batavia, Ohio, right here. We're going to check out the 4th of July festivities. Fireworks happening tonight, so check this out. Come along with us. Look what it is. My personal hairdresser for over 30 years. The famous Lisa. We have some fresh lemonade and iced tea. There's the Claremont County Courthouse. There's Card My Yard. Look at that. It is a beautiful evening for a summer street fair right here. Right here in beautiful downtown Batavia. Wow, this building was built in 1976. There it is, another Batavia shirt. It is hot out today. Feels like temperatures like, what's like 104 today. I know her! Okay, that was Danielle Wessel. She is one of the Batavia's newly elected trustees. So she lives like behind us, so that's why we know her. Terry's! Yeah! Terry's! All right, here's Batavia through the years. Let's check us out here. Old pictures. Picture of Google Maps?
Yeah, this is a picture of Google Maps.
This is what it looks like. You turn around and look on the street. Now they got that painted on our street, I think. You think that's Google Maps. There's Main Street. We don't know what this place is.
Yeah, it's the old county home. It was out where municipal courthouse is now.
I told you.
Dude, you nailed it.
I've looked out them windows and no jail cell, bro.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, that's where the municipal courthouse was.
I was wondering why it was being shown because I didn't know where the building was. So I was like, I think that's where the jailhouse is.
And like when I was growing up, we would practice soccer and softball out in the front of this.
Really?
Yeah.
Are these trees still here?
I don't think so. I think those came out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're
Really?
gone.
Wow.
Definitely gone.
Yeah.
And that is where the jail is.
Yeah.
Did you do these pictures?
I have acquired them. People have given them to me, and I've just had them hanging up in the flower shop. And everybody likes to come in and look at them, so I thought, well, I'll put them out here and let people look at them.
Nice. So what year do you think that's from?
I wish my dad was here because he was here earlier because I don't know. I do not know because I was born in 67 up into the mid 70s, early 80s. I was still here. So
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure.
Cool. What's the story on the tank?
John Coyne had a beef with a judge.
Yeah?
John Coyne owned a yard, like scrap cars and stuff.
Yeah.
Down going toward New Richmond, and he got into some trouble. The judge, he didn't like what the judge did, so the judge drove a car very similar to that. So he hauled this car up, put it on Main Street, and then drove his tank on top of it. And it was a message to the judge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Very cool.
So he ultimately, unfortunately, ended up going to prison because on his yard, his junkyard, he got kids trespassing and he shot one of them on the way. So he ended up in prison, but that was before. That was back in like the late 70s, I think.
Wow.
got reversed because he thinks that's backwards. But that was the original bridge, and the lights, these lights, are actually still down there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, right
Yeah. Neat. I like how they painted the West Main Street on the road.
Yes.
Thanks for the history lesson.
You're welcome.
All right. Free glitter. Shout out to this person, whoever did this. That's sick. Oh, there they are. There's double D's.
There's this way.
Dog and history lovers this way. This might be a trap. There's nothing back here, but we're going. Do you have any idea where we should go?
This way.
I think there's a sign of back to Jackson's old mansion back there on the end of the road. These cameras are fan. Yeah. Hypothetically speaking, if we were dog and history lovers, where would we go towards?
That would have been right here.
Oh, it was
However,
here.
all that is now.
Okay. Oh, we saw the sign and we were like quite excited. Thanks, so. The sign is gone.
The sign over there is gone too. I swear, there was a sign right here.
The sign was there. It's
The
gone.
sign's already gone.
We just missed it.
At the end of the sign.
Wow. Oh man. It's a missing station.
I don't know what's going on. This is
Face
face painting.
painting?
I was hoping it was going to be some kind of massage.
Massage. It's muscles.
My neck is
Oh, okay.
tweaked from the Noah Khan concert.
Oh yeah. They all did the Noah Khan last night
Headbanging so hard at Noah Khan.
at Great American. Oh wow, look at this artwork. Girls everywhere. A slice of freedom. Oh, nicely done, creatively done. And it's at Grandma's Pizza. Genius. Right down there is the main viewing area for the fireworks. Be shot off here soon. Hit me up, dude.
Oh, yo, it's
Yo.
Wait, what's your channel?
Orion E69. Look me up.
Alright.
Orion E69. Help them out. We're getting our subscriber. Yeah, they're gonna build a vlog. Yeah, you on the vlog?
Yo, what
What up? Batavia.
Cancel this UDF. They kicked us out.
They canceled? They want to cancel. Why they
Yeah.
What?
I mean,
What were they doing? Hi. I'm just a guy with a tripod.
guys.
The historic light posts are up here. So let's check out Creatively Done's work here. Stained glass. Man, he or she, I'm not sure. It's pretty good. Wow.
It's obviously a
Wow. They've really expanded this. Did not know it was like this down here. This is great. Look, it is very pretty.
It cools you down from the inside. Really hot. This is my technique when it's hot. You gotta get some of this
What is that?
straight from Thailand. It's what you use
It's
for
like
your
Ben
nose.
Gay.
when your nose is hot.
Yep. Then you got a mechanical fan and a manual fan.
This is all the things I brought to beat the heat.
Yeah, that's a good tip.
Coffee shop.
I know about that, but this is a couple years.
I think so.
Wow,
Year or two,
that's awesome.
to be honest.
This is a hidden gem right here in Batavia. Bean and Brew. What do you call this area? That's the cafe.
Cafe. This is the restaurant side.
The restaurant side with the beautiful view of the river. Look at this, beautiful. Come check it out. All right, here's, what time is it? It is 9:19. Apparently the fireworks be shot off towards Eastgate, looking that way over the bridge. Gas is $3.49. And so yeah, waiting for the fireworks here, probably the next, I'm gonna say it's gonna be at least there 20, 30 minutes. Shout out to all the new young subscribers I just got. Make sure to hit like and subscribe if you're watching this. There it is. Double D's. We got one. There we are. It is now 9:32. Look at us. Rocking out
Mom, it's your taste test.
with the Double D's lemonade. How is it? What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 28? And quick again. Well, what is it? 1 being the highest, the best. Quickly. All right, cut.
Wait, out of 28?
Yeah, but 1 being the best.
22. Oh, one being the best.
Oh my gosh, guys. All right, let me try it. They don't know how to rate things.
It's not very hard. But it's good. I give it a 5.
I'd
Out
give
of
it,
25, 28.
I'd give it a 19 out of 28.
28, 1 being the
Yeah,
best.
yeah. That's mid. Oh, hi, doggies. All right, we're gonna go check it out. Oh, is it open? We saw people going in. I see bubbles. Oh, this is a dance studio. What is this?
No, we saw your balloons. They look so good.
Wow.
You know, they're just from my daughter's friends. So. It is.
Feels like a beer cave. So, this guy was a little bit too long in the painting booth. Danielle's in there trying to work up Kingsley Party Rentals because she did her own balloons. Looks good though. All right, here we go. We got a little baby fireworks happening. Look at there. Just look at it. Just look at it. Definitely a lack of ooh and on going on. These fireworks brought to you by Grandma's Pizza. Make sure to pick up Grandma's Greasy Pizza right here. 732-6644. Get the Big Mama. Order Big Mama, you get a half a pound of grease free. All right, head on over to UDF. Get some ice cream. I'll pick you up at UDF. And then we'll go home and make root beer floats. Break. 3, 2, 1, break. All right, good job, Batavia. Nice little festival here on a hot summer Night. Man, we got tons of people over here. Tons of people back here. Still enjoying the fireworks. All right, this is for Jenna. We got the Salvation Army in the foreground. Get in the car. Oh yeah, the grand finale. Woo! Setting off car alarms. All right. And Batavia goes wild. All right, where's Karen and Danielle? There they are. Yes. Woo! That was amazing. Grand finale.
You see it?
No. It's a root beer float kind of party! All right, we made it back. We finally found them. They got the ice cream. We're home. We're going to enjoy some root beer floats. Jenna's there. Say hey to Jenna. What's up, Jenna? To turn off your dome light, it's on. Anyway, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.